In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Bitdefender Antivirus, walking you through it in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in and make sure your computer stays protected. First off, you'll need to head over to Bitdefender Central. This is the hub where you manage all of your Bitdefender products and services. You can easily access this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Bitdefender Central. Once you're there, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed to help you manage everything related to your Bitdefender account in one place. Next, what you'll want to do is click on the Sign In button. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage, and you can't miss it. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials, which are your registered email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. Just follow the prompts for registering a new account, and soon you'll be up and running. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the Bitdefender dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview of your protection status across all your devices. From here, look for the option that says, Install Bitdefender Products. This button is key to getting Bitdefender onto your device, so you can start enjoying the security it provides. When you click on Install Bitdefender Products, you'll be prompted to select which Bitdefender product you'd like to install. There are several options available depending on the kind of protection you need or the subscription you have. It's worth taking a moment here to choose the right product that matches your requirements. Whether it's Total Security, Internet Security, or Antivirus Plus, make sure it aligns with your usage needs. After you've selected the product, the next step is to click on Install. This will start the download process. It's generally a straightforward step, with prompts guiding you through the installation wizard. Follow these carefully. The download speed will depend on your internet connection, so just be patient while it installs. Once complete, you'll typically need to restart your computer to finalize the installation process, ensuring all components are fully integrated. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Bitdefender Antivirus. Keep your device secure by keeping the software up to date, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing you've taken an important step to safeguard your digital life. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay secure out there.